To show you how to replace the window regulator on a Saab 9.3, and we're replacing the regulator on the rear right hand side, so that's the passenger side back door. And we're going to start by removing this piece here. So we're going to lift it here. So this is one of the areas where it's holding. So what I did is I went with this plastic piece under here, behind here, and kind of unhooked it. And so this is what it looks like when you look at it. So there's a latch here, one here that was holding pretty strong, and this one here. So next we're going to remove those bolts. Torx 30, there are 2 bolts in here. There's one. That's it for the bolts. We're going to pull the bolts out so we don't lose them with the magnet. There you go, those are the 2. Pop off the panel. You just go underneath here, kind of find where the best spot is. And all you want is you want one popped off, and then there's 3 of them here, and you'll hear, and then 3 on the bottom. Okay, so you've heard multiple pop at this point, and now you just lift it off. There you go. And then next we detach the cable here for opening the door. You may be able to see it better from the top. It kind of comes off like this. Then you unhook it. You need to move the handle a little bit to help you out with it. There you go, so that's that. And now we're going to just detach 2 of the connectors. One is here, you're going to have to push on this here. And then the other one has a little latch mechanism, and I'll need a screwdriver to show you how to do that one. So you're going to have to push this little thing here in, and then that allows you then to push this latch over, and that allows you to disconnect the panel. So if you take a look at it quickly one more time, this is what it looks like. This is this part we push down, and this latched behind it when we attach the connector. So next thing we're doing is we're removing this insulating part off the panel. Try and do it in such a way that you don't damage too much of the insulation. And the first time you're going to take it off, it's going to take a little bit longer. There you go. You could use like a plastic tool like that to help you out too. So here we go. We just see I'm going between the metal and the adhesive, so I don't damage the insulating part. And we're slowly getting access to the window regulator. And that's probably about all you need. So we need access to this bolt here, and then this one holding the motor here. So that's it. So we're gonna start working on the window regulator next. So we're gonna be removing this bolt first. Actually, it's the nut. And this nut here that's holding the motor. So that's number 2. Looks like there's a little bit of rust here. And then this is the 3rd one here from the regulator. Try to not have the parts fall in. So that loosens up the regulator now. And what we're going to do is we're going to lower it as much as we can, so we can get to the part that's holding the window. There you go, here it is. So here's one. So this is, by the way, 10mm socket. So we're removing this. So we got one out. And there's one more hidden back here, and I don't know if I can get the window though. Remember, it's broken, so I can just move it. And there you go, I got lucky. If not, you would just have to use a wrench to do it differently. Now, as I remove this one, the second one, I can pull out the regulator. And also remember, the window could now fall down by itself. So keep that in mind. I still have to disconnect the power here, so I need to grab the screwdriver for that. So in order to disconnect the connector, you kind of go through and pull this little red latch down, and that allows you then to just disconnect the connector. Maybe I didn't have it. There you go. So it just pulls out, and it's nice when someone helps you by holding the window, so it does not fall down when you're removing all those pieces. Let's see, I'm gonna try and find a good angle to get this out. There you go. So here's our broken regulator, and as you can see, let's see, it fell off here, and it's a really big mess down here, if you can see this. So okay, so let's put the new one in. Okay, so this is the broken part. Here's the replacement part. Obviously, we gotta remove the motor from the old part, and we're using again the T30 Torx for this. It's attached with 3 screws. Oops. This is number 2, number 3, and here's the mess that we had, and we're going to the new one. And this looks fine, and we're just attaching it back. And I will tighten those by hand. In the end, I just wanted to get them in. There we go. And then just use the ratchet to tighten those. And remember, it's plastic, so you don't want to break the plastic. So, all right, so that completes moving the part over. Now we're gonna just install it back. In the back end, just orient yourself. Obviously, the curvature's got to be out, and this is where the window is going to attach. So this is obviously the top. This is the bottom. The other way. So we got the bottom attached here. Here's the electrical that we're attaching, and you just push this piece up. All right, so here's the motor part, and let's start this now. So just put the nuts back on. One here at the bottom. There we go. And I'm going to do the rest with the ratchet. Okay. All right, so tighten each one of the nuts or bolts with a ratchet, and then next thing we're going to do is we're going to have to lower, by hooking up the electrical, we're going to have to lower this piece so we can attach the window to it. I connected the electrical, lowered the mechanism to this height so I have nice access to it, and then I just lowered the window to it, and I'm just going to attach it now on both sides, and then I'm going to hand tighten it. There we go. Now we're gonna, this completes this part. Now we're just going to put this insulating part back over, and obviously make sure you get the cables, those two cables out here. Next, we're going to attach the panel. And we're going to start with the electrical here. So if you recall the electrical, kind of look from the bottom here. Here's the first connector. Push it in and then push this lever over. That latches this in. And do this one. There you go. And now we just, don't forget to attach the door handle. Goes, if you look at it from the top, with it goes kind of in like this, and then you just gotta latch it in here. You're just pushing it in. Go through with the lock. Lift it slightly so it sits in here, and then just push it in. And then we're going to put those two bolts back in. All right, so here are the two bolts. Remember, those are T30 Torx. One's in. And then I'm going to just hand tighten it with the ratchet. There we go, and put the plastic cover piece over. So I'm gonna clip it here at the bottom. And hopefully this video was helpful. This completes the job. And thank you for watching.